Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you the second step of your QOB. QOB basically it is the software. I already told you in the last lecture or last training that what we have to do on the QOB software. Actually we put the attendance, weekly lesson plans and lesson plan of the throughout the semester of the students of the course, and we can add students over here, and we can finalize our marks. We can get results from this software. We can get result from this software in the QOB format, because outcome based education system is adopted in Pakistan as well. So you can get your results in the form of OB software on the basis of CLOs and PLOs, course and learning outcomes. And you can also get CLO attainment graphs, CLO attainments, activity weights, and lots of things over here. So you can also, you will be able to put your timetable. You can make your classrooms over here. You can also conduct classes as well on it. So the second step is that what you have to do, you have to put the CLOs over here. So let's start with the and keep it in mind, if you have 2 or 3 sections of each subject. So for the same subject, and you have four sections, so there is no need to upload CLOs separately for all the sections so of that subject. So you, what you have to do, you have to upload CLOs for the section A, and you will get the CLOs in section B, section C and D, in all that, but for the each course I'm talking about. So let's start. This is my classroom, and this is engineering mechanics section A. And what I am going to do, that I am going into my classroom, and this is current classroom, and I have to click on the CLOs. So I have to go into the CLOs list. So I already uploaded CLOs. So I have already uploaded 2 CLOs over here. So I have to put it what? I have to add CLO number 3. And how can I add it? So let me tell you here, create CLO. And for example, I am writing here, I have to add CLO3 here. And CLO3 description is that what? Let me copy it and paste it over here. Solve member forces for trust structure, police, and resultant of parallel system forces. There is no need to type any custom or whatever, it is already selected. So now you have to go where? Save and map PLO. So you have to click on this button, and you have to click your badge. For example, I have my badge is or to whom I am teaching is CV 2020, so I have to click on it. And the CLO3 is mapped with PLO2, so I have to click on the PLO2, because there are 12 graduate attributes according to PEC, and you can say according to the Washington Accord. So I have mapped CLO3 with the PLO2 problem analysis. So I have to click on this, and this is theoretical subject, so it should be cognitive. And remembering level is what? Level is applying. So I have to click C3, applying. This is cognitive level, applying. Emphasis level, you have to click on medium, and you have to click on the save button, and your CLO is created. And one more thing, what you want to do, update it. If you have done any mistake in it, so you can click on this pencil. You can see over here there is a pencil, so you have to click on it, update, and you have to write down in the bracket that is theory, and I will save it. So it will be changed. You can see over here, and there is a problem in CLO2. I have mapped wrongly with PLO1. Let me check it. It is PLO1. No, it is fine. I have done, I have mapped with PLO1, and the level is C3. Cognitive level is C3, applying. So let me check it whether I did correct format or not. I have taken it properly. And what if I want to add program badge, map PLO, attached learning type, so I have to click on this notepads. So I have to click on this, and the level is C3, applying. Okay, fine. It is level C3, applying, medium, everything is fine. So I have to click on the save button. It's okay. This is created, and you can see there are three CLOs of the three CLOs of the theory subject. So this is the way you can add CLOs. So when I click on it, you can see CLO1, CLO2, CLO3. So this is the way you can upload your CLOs. So this is theoretical CLOs, and now I will upload in the next video that how can you upload lab CLOs. So stay tuned with me, do subscribe my channel, and obviously if you will find it helpful to you, so hopefully you will like it and subscribe it. Thank you so much. And if you have a query regarding the QOB or anything else, so you can write on the chat box or the comment box. Thank you so much.